We have also ensured that after investigating, we have gone ahead to arrest masqueraders. We have been able to do that throughout the country, in Kwale County, in Nakuru County, in Siaya County, also in Nairobi counties. We shall ensure that the public of in the legal system only by qualified advocates. In Meru County, this issue of masqueraders has become very rampant. We are also going to ensure going forward that we are not going to allow unqualified persons to attend court. Today, we are very fortunate. After running for many days after one person by the name of Kongo Kigia, we have been able to have him arrested by of the Meru Bar Association and the lawyers within the Meru. And we are hopeful that it's going to be arraigned in court. For purposes of our residents in Maua, I want to assure you that the people who are representing land officers or representing themselves as land officers at a place called Plot 10 in Maua town, we are going to come after you. My advice is that if you are doing any business masquerading as an advocate, close the office and find something else to do.
Today we are here because there is one masquerader, very notorious. It's called Kongo Kigia. And he's been arrested because he's been on the run. And this is among the myriad of cases that have been brought before the police station for his arrest. About last month, he appeared before one of the magistrates here in Meru Law Courts, and he filed an application purporting to be an advocate, and he was quoting some provisions of the Constitution, saying that they allow him to practice and represent parties as an advocate. And it's on that basis that we as advocates obtained the proceedings in that file, because he was very adamant in court, and even taunting advocates, telling them he'll teach them the law. And you can imagine that's a lay person who is that brazen and that brave enough to come and try and attempt to take away the work that can only be done by an advocate. This is now to warn the members of public. Kongo Kigia is not an advocate. Kongo Kigia was struck off as a mediator. He's also not a mediator. And you should not be represented in any way by Kongo Kigia. And this is also a warning to all the other masqueraders who are purporting to represent parties and swindle them, by trying to draw pleadings or documents that are to be filed in court, that we will not relent on this fight of ensuring that our members of public are not hoodwinked and deceived to be stolen from. So here we are today. Michael has been arrested after almost 3 weeks of being on the run, and he'll take plea tomorrow under the provisions, different provisions of the Penal Code and the Advocates Act, which prohibits someone from practicing as an advocate unless you qualify. We are here to pass that message to everyone. Do not be tempted to come and do the work of an advocate unless you're qualified.